Welcome to TravelX. I'm Michael, and here with me today are Bronson and Jake. When did you last travel? Is there a trip you regret not taking? What held you back? Many people want to travel with companions, but end up not following through because of different interests, budgets, and availability. These are important roadblocks to address because as the pandemic has taught us, life is too short to wait on others. What if you did end up solo traveling? Meet a few of my friends. John ended up taking a 6-month road trip across the US. Amanda backpacked through South America for 9 months, and Caroline went to Australia as a graduation gift to treat herself. What do they, along with thousands of travelers worldwide, have in common? Moments of loneliness, high costs, and safety concerns. So, how could we create an engaging way for solo travelers to connect and build meaningful relationships? By enabling like-minded solo travelers to connect before or during a trip, TravelX provides the best of both worlds. Let's see how that works. There are three main features that we want to highlight with TravelX. One, when interests are selected, travel destinations are also selected. So the recommended matches based on the same destinations and interests, they both start to appear. You have your interests and this destinations. Two, when both users express an interest, a match appears. So as more destinations are added, so are the recommended matches. Third feature, trip cards can also be updated to change destinations, dates, and there's also a note field to save any details about a trip a user wants to record, such as a trip itinerary, for example. To wrap things up, I've learned about having empathy, looking at situations from a different lens, which also help boost creativity.
As a designer, I learned to work with a team to adapt the product throughout the process based on user tests and feedback. I remained flexible and focused even as challenges presented themselves. We were decisive regarding content and changes as we considered the needs of an MVP, along with future iterations. My primary objective was to meet the needs and concerns of the end user. In our user tests, they mentioned that the minimal design choices, colors, and photos made them feel safe, secure, and excited. I'm glad we met our goal of creating a safe and secure way for solo travelers to meet up with like-minded travelers during their trip.
Hi, my name is Jake. My experience at CoLab was a learning experience comprised of two main things. One is learning to work on a team of individuals and work and communicate coding concepts to people who don't necessarily understand code the way I do. This kind of expanded my vocabulary in that way. And also I did a lot of testing and working with back-end endpoints and database tables, which I generally have been struggling with. So doing that a lot during the program helps me understand those concepts on a deeper level.
Thanks for listening.